This is deliverable 1-1 for the Army Retirement Tool by Cadet Freeny and Cadet Rhoden.
The main purpose of this tool is to determine the monetary value of a soldier's career until the age of 62, allow the comparisons of different courses of action for the soldier, and determine the value of each retirement option, providing recommendations for the soldier to decide upon. Our first diagram in our deliverable is the requirements diagram. It is broken up into 3 main requirements with several sub-requirements associated with the main requirements. Our first main requirement for our system is that our system shall have the ability to compile and reference the soldier's inputted data. The sub-requirements for our soldier data requirement is that our system shall provide the ability to input various specific information provided by the user, such as age, pay grade, years of service, civilian job salary, and other variables. Our next requirement for our main requirement is that our system shall calculate the net present value of our soldier's career, given the inputs selected up until the age of 62. This shall be calculated under both the new and old retirement regulations. Our final main requirement for our system is that the system shall be able to display a soldier's net present value under both the old and new retirement systems up until the age of 62. The sub-requirements for the display requirement is that the system shall display monetary value of both retirement plans in table format. It will also highlight the recommended plan based on the higher net present value.
The next section is a block definition diagram. This shows what physical tables will be needed in order to meet all of our system's requirements. Our system will utilize multiple data tables, such as the pay grade table, healthcare table, civilian job table, and civilian salary table. Our system will also utilize lists that will provide the user the opportunity to input their pertinent information, such as their zip code and years of service, which will then be used to find the specific monetary value that matches the soldier's situation. The next section is the sequence diagram. This diagram maps out how the system will calculate the net present value for a soldier. First, the list will interact with the user interface and require the user's input of data. Next, the user will input all pertinent data into the user interface. Additionally, the user interface will find the monetary values associated with the inputted data on the data tables. Then the system will calculate the user's net present value under the old retirement plan and the new retirement plan, and then display the 2 values for the user to compare.